Question 8, Part A. Expand and simplify fully. So the first step is to expand the brackets, realising that everything outside the bracket must be multiplied by everything inside the bracket. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 2, or subtract 2, would be to subtract 8. Now we've got to subtract 2 times this bracket. Depending on what method you prefer, you could work out 2 times the bracket and then take it all away. I prefer to treat this as a negative 2 multiplied by the whole bracket, because then we're not dealing with changing the symbols later. Negative 2 times 3 is a negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 5x gives us a positive 10x. Now we've multiplied out that expression, we can gather terms to fully simplify it. 4x plus 10x gives us 14x. Subtract 8, subtract 6 gives us subtract 14. Question 8, Part B. Simplify fully 8a squared plus 10ab all over 10a plus 15b. To be able to simplify anything which has a quadratic or different values on the top and bottom, the first step is to try and factorise both and see if there's a common pair that can be taken out, can cancel each other out. If we look on the top, 8 and 10, I could take 2 out as a common factor. A is also a common factor, so we can take 2a away from both of those expressions, which leaves us with 4a add 5b on the top. Underneath that, 12 and 15 have a common factor of 3. A and b are not common, so if we look what's left, 3 times 4a is 12a, plus 3 times 5b. By factorising this, we can see that 4a plus 5b is a common factor on the top and the bottom, and both cancel each other out. So to simplify this, those two cancel down to 1, leaving us with 2a over 3, which cannot be simplified any further, or 2/3 a.